All right, guys, 2024 Cadillac CT5-V factory converter. I was disappointed. They started making these in a V6 twin turbo instead of the V8. Bring back the V8. If you agree, call your local representative and tell them to bring back the V8s. Anyways, flex pipe's there, X pipe there, then it continues. And what we did, a muffler delete there and there, 2.5. And then there's the valves. We just left them on there and added braces to them there and there. So the car thinks it opens and closes like it's supposed to. And they got the CT5-V tips out the back there and right there. Look at that. CT5-V Cadillac. They should have put a 6.2 in this sucker. I don't know why they went with the twin turbo 6-cylinder. Shame. Anyways, there's the factory muffler that was on it that we took off too. So anyways, stay tuned, guys. We're about to let you guys hear it. And like always, like, comment, subscribe. If you don't know, we are located in good old Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. Guys, we got our first Blackwing Cadillac 6.2 supercharged V8 Cadillac Blackwing, but in blue. Still looks sexy as, you know, I don't want to say the word, but you guys know what I'm thinking. I'm always fond of Cadillacs. I don't know why, I like them. They've always been one of my favorite cars. Luxury and fast at the same time. But anyways, let me show you guys what we've done to it. So it's still got the factory converter there. And this Cadillac Blackwing, what they did is they did a combination of an H-pipe and an X-pipe. So there's the H-pipe closer to the motor, and then they put an X-pipe more towards the middle right there. Then what we did, we had to do custom Y-pipes on it because he wanted to keep the factory tips. So we ran custom Y-pipes into his valves, as you guys can see there and there. And there it is, custom fab Y-pipe setup. Exhaust Addicts always gets it hooked up. See them? That's them out the back. This is the muffler that comes on it. That's the where the two tips came out, one on here and one right here. And that's where the two enter into the muffler, right there and right there. So it's a dual in, dual out with quad tip set up outside so they can put the valves. So if you guys look under the car when it's on the ground, it almost looks like we didn't do anything, but then all you'll hear is the sound of it. And it's gonna sound phenomenal. We'll let you guys hear it before. Now we're gonna let you guys hear it after. But check it out. Cadillac Blackwing. There it is. There it is. It's a custom Y-pipe out the back. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe. All right, guys, here we go. CT5-V. Not bad. It's clean. Click. Here's sound decibels. Try it at 95. Click the V button. Let's see if it changes it. See if it changes the tone. No, it gave it a pop. It's more pop now. Here's sound decibels again with the V on. Right at same thing, about 94. Just gave it a little bit more pop. Oh, 99. When it pops, it reaches 99, almost 100. And we got this sexy cicada. They're out in Tennessee right now. That's what that whoa here in the background. She's just chilling. Exhaust Addict cicada. I love the look of them. They're badass cars. Should have had 6.2, but anyways, it's okay. Still a fat car. Oh, that pop is nice. I like it. Got a nice stance to it. Look at that. She's clean. Let you guys hear it on the inside. There it is. Now it sounds like a Blackwing, man. I bet you it was extra quiet before. Yeah, it was loud. Look Look at idle. This is idle. It's 78. 76.
What is that?
Sound doesn't. That sounds so much. What a beast. Here's sound. Again. Right at 118, guys. That's insane. Look at that pop, man. Hell yeah. I love that pop. Go and back it up. So guys, you know how we left the valves in one side? It does make a huge difference on these wide pipes. So this is with the valve closed, right? So this is with the valve closed. This is with the valve open. How much it restricts it, dude. Wow. So that's good to know, guys. With it open, close it. With it closed, noticeably different, man. Wow. Keep it open and rev it. That sounds phenomenal. Yeah, that's the right sound. What do you think? You like it? If he likes it, I like it. No, he likes it. That's it. I like it. All right, let me let you hear it on the inside, guys. What do you guys think of the new look of the Caddies? Oh, such a bad car, guys. Especially with the apartments in the background. Woo. Wow, that sucker flies. That's clean, beast mode. I like it. I like those jolts in the middle. Woo. It needs that to stop. Look at the brakes, guys. Woo. Should he go with bigger wheels or leave them like that? I'd say leave it like that. It's clean. I told him he needs a carbon fiber hood because the top is black. I said a carbon fiber hood would look so good on it. Don't you guys agree? Let me know in the comments. What else should he do to it? Because he said he's going to read the comments, and so tell him what he should do to this. If it was yours, what would you do with it? Let me know. And because it's a Blackwing, I would change, the only thing I'd change on the back is make that wing, this wing black. That's it. Leave everything else the same. Just to give them an indication that it's a Blackwing, you know? Because it doesn't say it anywhere else, except on the seats inside and stuff. This is that marble. What a beast. Came alive when we took the muffler off. Love it. Enjoy, guys.